All right, another graphing question. And again, graphing questions are always the best case scenario to get the most points possible. So I take my calculator and I'm going to go into my y equals menu and clear out what's in there. All right, the log comes from alpha, not that one, or that one. Alpha window, number 5. It was log base 3 of 2 minus x. All right, so there's my graph. Okay, and remember, it doesn't end there like that. It actually keeps going, so that's one of the things I have to make sure I'm really careful of. All right, I also am going to want some points that I can get on there. So I'm going to take this, we'll drag and drop that. We'll bring that over here. All right, so obviously I can only plot really 2 of those points. So -1, 1, and 1, 0. Okay, and then you can see that it clearly ends at 2, doesn't end at 2, and then we use the right thing. It has its asymptote at 2. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to draw this like that, and then it goes like that. Okay, so there is my graph of my logarithm. All right. Now it says state the domain. Remember, domain are the x values. So they're all the x values that exist on this graph. So if you're looking, the x values as you go this way just keep getting bigger, and we're talking about x values. X values get bigger and bigger and bigger and go on forever that direction. So they come from negative infinity, and then they go over here, and then they hit a wall at that yellow line. They never make it all the way to 2. All right. I have to be careful. I can't have a bracket on that end because it never actually gets to 2. It just keeps getting closer and closer and closer to 2, but never actually makes it all the way there. Okay, and then the asymptote is that yellow line that I drew in there, and that's going to be x equals 2. All right, and again, that means that every single point on that line has an x value of 2. And the domain and the asymptote are always going to be related to each other in terms of they're going to both have the same number. The number from the asymptote will show up in the domain either at the beginning or the end.